Dear students, today I am going to tell you about fractions. Parts of a whole are called fractions. See, these all are whole parts. This is also whole part, whole part, whole part. Now I will tell you about one half. See, suppose this is whole part of a circle and this is one half. This is one half and we will write it like this 1 upon 2. This is half portion of this circle and it is 1 upon 2. One half of this figure is, this is one half, and one half of this triangle is, this is also one half. We will write like this 1 upon 2. This is also 1 upon 2. Now I am telling you about 1/3 part. Suppose this is whole part and it will be the 1/3 part of this whole figure, and we will write it like this 1 upon 3, means third part of whole. See, this is 1/3 and this is also 1/3 part of this whole circle. This part will be 1/3. It is 1/3 part, and this is also 1/3 part is colored. This is also 1/3 part of these figures. Now I will tell you about 1/4. Suppose this is whole part and we will fold it half and again we will fold it, then it will be 1/4 part, and we will write it like this 1 upon 4. Is that clear? And now we will make half and this is 1/4 part, and like this is also 1/4 part is white with white color and 1/4 part. Okay, and if we will keep here one more circle, it will represent 2 upon 5, because total 5 circles are there, and out of these 5 circles 2 are white, so we will write it like this 2 upon 5, and same like this. If we will keep here one more petal, now we will read it like this 1 upon 5, 1 upon 5, and if we will keep one more circle over here, then it will be 3 upon 6, and it can be half also, 1 upon 2 also.